EVA Air really made my day to have a spaghetti kids meal on board. Visited EVA Air's home-based lounge. 3 highlights you shouldn't miss. Unbox A330 economy class seats. Does the kids' meal taste better?
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Good morning, Taipei. We are now heading to Taoyuan International Airport, Terminal 2. It's pretty convenient and common to book a taxi for around $40 from Taipei City. The ride took only 40 minutes, providing a comfortable journey. By the way, our destination this time is Beijing, China. Before I unbox EVA Airways, the Star Lounge, and the A330-300 economy class journey, as always, let me share my last stay in southern Taiwan. We visited the first and only 5-star luxurious Hotel Intercontinental in Taiwan, located in southern part of Taiwan called Kaohsiung City. We experienced the amazing club lounge, revealed the best harbor view, provided a full facilities report, and complete room tour. For all the details, check the link below. Here we are at Taoyuan International Airport Terminal 2. This terminal is also home to EVA Airways, where we are going to explore their signature lounge. It's been a while since I mostly flew from Terminal 1 or through Huanyu service. It is very crowded nowadays. The traffic in Taipei Airport is coming back. Let me give you a brief overview if you are new to this terminal.
Hello, welcome to Taiwan International Airport Terminal 2. And today I will fly EVA Air to Beijing. To be frank, this channel is already running for around 8 months. And this is my first time I'm flying EVA Air.
Via Terminal 2.
So if you are the Diamond member, you can enter from the gate 14. Today I'm the Gold Elite member, so I will go to the gate 15. So if you got a priority, you don't need to go to the very end, you can just check in from here. If you are flying business class with a priority, you can enter with counter 14, or your Star Alliance Gold under counter 15. For premium economy, or the silver members for EVA Air, 18. For normal economy class check-in, it's usually quite crowded. So choose the one suitable for you. Look at this gate 19, also gate 20. You can see many people are queuing right here. But do you know, at gate 17, you see this is a self-bag drop service. And no one here. If you come here, ideally, it should be much faster than waiting a long line in economy class seat over there.
I got my ticket. Let me show you. This is the Star Lounge. We are going to unbox later.
Okay, let's look around. So, there's a Hello Kitty zone here. Let's see if you can check in with Hello Kitty. Take a look, they got very cute Hello Kitty jet. Oh, also with amenities. Looks cool.
In this airport, no matter flying what class or holding what kind of top elite membership, there's no fast track of security and passport control. Usually took 20 to 30 minutes to enter the airside. Let's follow the sign of these lounges to 4th floor via this escalator.
So at this Terminal 2, the main VIP lounges are belongs to Star Alliance companies like EVA Air and also Singapore Airlines. And we are entitled to use the Star, number 5, right here. And if you have a priority pass, you also can use the Plaza Premium Lounge. The award-winning lounge is Oriental Club at number 6, which is right there.
I'll leave the link for you where I unbox the best priority pass lounge in Taipei Airport, the Oriental Club Lounge.
Alright, so the club lounge is only for silver card, not even a Star Alliance members. So it's now open, so everyone can use the Star Infinity. Interesting. Right now I'm in front of the EVA Air lounges in Taipei International Airport Terminal 2. So they got 3 lounges right here in this area. This is called the Infinity for business class passengers and the Star for Star Alliance Gold members. And their signature one is the Garden, which is only for their Diamond member, also the top elite. So let's find out.
As always, if you'd like to enjoy the shower, You must book it first before it's too late. Let's enter and find out.
So here they got the lockers. But if you want to use locker, you have to ask the staff. Okay, let's go in. It's a fancy decoration. And they even got a VIP room right here.
It's time to discover the shower facilities.
Right, so I got the key for a shower. You can use for 20 minutes. This is my room, number 1. Let me open it. Wow, shower room looks like this. Let's have a quick tour for the shower. So they got a Taipei theme right here with a big mirror. The overall interior design is quite neat and clean with a white color. It's not a luxury type, but it's okay. And let's take a look at the amenities. They got a toothbrush and hairbrush, shower cap. And the lotion is used French brand, L'Occitane. With the slippers, it's actually a nice touch. With some towels. Okay, let's see what's inside. So they got a rain shower and also the hand shower, also with this kind of a setup, quite a good one. The amenities also use the same brand, L'Occitane for shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. There's no toilet inside, but outside is a toilet, so it should be fine. Interestingly, they got 2 hair dryers, so probably someone complained. Definitely is enough with 2 hair dryers. Alright, so I will take a quick shower and I will see you later, show you the lounge.
After the shower, I found the nursing room over there. It has some Hello Kitty decorations. A big plus is the provision of diapers and wet tissues. There's a baby changing table and a feeding chair here. Maybe drinking water for formula is missing. Alright, let's continue the unboxing journey of EVA Airways The Star Lounge. Firstly, I will show you around the seating area. As you can see, the interior design matches business travel with a bit of blue lighting, maybe adding a touch of techie feel. What do you think? There are a couple of sofas for better comfort. Let me find out where to sit. Finally, I found some high chairs with a view, with USB and power sockets on them. The view is where we did the check-in, remember? It's time for the most important part, the buffet tour. Cold desserts and salads are here. Simple juice, coffee, and pastries. The first highlight I found is that Haagen-Dazs ice cream is available. There's a special drink in the fridge. I'll let you know about this highlight later. All kinds of drinks are on this beverage table, including liquors and wines. Look at this Wagyu Don, a premium food highlight in the lounge. For the rest of the buffet, it's mainly Taiwanese local flavors in hot offerings. This includes rice and noodle options with meat and vegetables. So travelers can have one last taste of Taiwan. The final highlight, don't miss Suskin beer if you'd like to have good Taiwanese beer in Taiwan and enjoy the view of the terminal.
Alright, right now I'm at the EVA Air, the Star Lounge. So overall the environment looks quite okay. And they also got some signature dishes like a Wagyu beef rice. However, compared to China Airlines, there's no made-to-order menu. So if you need the made-to-order menu, you need to go to the Infinity, which is for business class only, or go to the Garden. I think the highlight here, it probably will be the shower facilities looks quite good, and also they got Haagen-Dazs ice cream. And besides of that, this lounge does the job, offer the quality food, and also the relaxed environment. So if you fly EVA Air, or you fly Star Alliance with a gold member, or business class, you are entitled to enter this lounge. And I will see you later on board.
It's time to head to the gate. I'll be flying economy this time, so I had enough food in my belly for this 3.5-hour journey. Look around the shopping avenue, and then board EVA Air's A330-300 economy class with a 242 configuration. If you like enjoying the window view, this kind of seat arrangement is good. You only need to pass another passenger to get to the loo. Look at that Hong Kong Airlines plane. I haven't tried them yet, but I plan to in the future. With Star Alliance Gold status, we are entitled to board first, so I may have sufficient time to do the seat tour for you. I was a bit surprised that this aircraft is only 8 years old. but the screen and remote look like they're from the last century. Nowadays, it's rare to see the complete keypad on new aircrafts. Let's put it back and explore the tray table. It's a standard foldable one, with a slightly adjustable feature. To pair with the entertainment system, EVA Air provides earbuds on board. However, you know what to expect on an economy class journey. It has 2 pins, so a converter is required if you want to use your own headsets. The legroom isn't the best, but is quite okay for a short journey. In the document pocket, there's the standard disposal bag, safety instructions, and a shopping booklet. A USB charger is now essential, but it can supply only 2.5 watts, which is below the standard 5 watts. Don't expect much. On the other hand, there's a shared universal power socket below the seat. Reading lights are available, but there's no air vent, which shouldn't be a big issue. Blankets are available upon request. They are of standard quality and warm enough for this class. Headrests are adjustable for better comfort. Now take a closer look at the EVA Special Agent Safety video.
To ensure your safety, we would like to remind you that no dangerous articles may be carried in your baggage.
Switch to airplane mode and say goodbye to Taipei. Enjoy the takeoff engine sound of EVA Airways A330-300. I pre-ordered a kid's meal today, before I compare it with the standard meal.
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
Wow, I guess it's my lucky day. It's spaghetti with chicken meatballs, sausages, and many asparagus. Firstly, ordering a special meal like a kid's meal or vegetarian meal has no extra charge, and it will be served first without a long wait.
Alright, so this is the child meal I ordered on the EVA Air, and I got a spaghetti with a chicken meatball. It looks actually quite good, and also got a fruit plate, quite a nice one, and the dessert also looks great. With a common bread, it should be fine, and a milk, cold one, lovely, and with some candies. It's probably not the best one for kids, but not bad anyway. Water. That's it.
However, for the regular meal, it was hard for Trimama to choose between chicken rice and pork fried rice. Finally, she went for fried rice. It comes with an appetizer, fruits, and a jelly-like dessert. You know what? In the end, she was very happy with the kids' meal, and I couldn't finish the fried rice. So you know what to do next time. Here's a tip for you. If you'd like have beer on board, Taiwanese Buskin beer is on the menu. But the flight attendants won't offer it proactively. Remember to ask. They should have some in stock. After the kids' meal, I was very satisfied with the food. Let's explore the entertainment system. Personally, I think EVA does a good job of selecting movies, especially for Asian travelers, since there are Chinese subtitles. How about the loo on board? Check it out.
Okay, right now I'm on board EVA Air A330-300 loo in economy class. Alright, so it's not a big size, but they got a mirror here. It's kind of a green decoration, but it's fake. The amenities, they are using Taoyuan brand. And with a tissue, 2 types of tissues, tap and sink is Haagen-Dazs. No, it's not. Issues auto, I don't know why. Tissues here, toilet protector and flush. And also got a flower here, but it's fake. It's alright. With kind of fragrance. With a hook and also the ashtray. That's it.
Now we are approaching Beijing. Sit back, fasten your seatbelt, and enjoy the landing view. Just found out that their business class is an upgraded version compared to the previous one Tree Mama took. I hope I can try it next time. Welcome to Beijing Capital International Airport. It has great architecture with high ceilings and large buildings for connecting international and domestic flights. A lot of walking and train transfers are required here in Beijing Capital Airport. In summary, the Star Lounge in Taipei Airport does have some highlights, like Haagen-Dazs ice cream, Buskin beer, and Wagyu rice bowls. However, it is not competitive with other Star Alliance home-based lounges like Singapore Airlines in Singapore or Turkish Airlines in Istanbul. There's still room for improvement. The onboard A330 experience was great. Even though it's an older aircraft, the 2-4-2 configuration is quite comfortable for economy class travelers. And the kids' meal is much better than other regular meals. In my next video, I chose the Crown Plaza International Airport, Beijing. I'll unbox the suite room, reveal the full report of the club lounge, and explore the full facilities of this great airport hotel option.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.